Imagine a dish that explodes with flavor, a culinary masterpiece that tantalizes your senses with every bite. A dish so iconic it embodies a whole region's culinary spirit, representing the heart and soul of Sichuan cuisine. A dish that started as humble street food, sold by vendors on the bustling streets of Chengdu, but rose to international fame, captivating food lovers around the globe. This, my friends, is the story of Dan Dan Noodles, a dish that has transcended its origins to become a global sensation. Dan Dan Noodles, or Dan Dan Mian in Chinese, are not for the faint of heart. They pack a punch with their bold, spicy flavors. This Sichuan specialty is a fiery dance of textures and tastes, a symphony of spice that will leave your taste buds begging for more. The combination of chili oil, Sichuan peppercorns, and minced meat creates an unforgettable experience. But don't let the heat scare you. There's a depth of flavor that balances the spice, making each mouthful a delightful adventure. Beneath the fiery exterior lies a complex and nuanced dish with a fascinating history, tracing back to the Qing dynasty. Join me as we slurp our way through the spicy, savory, and utterly captivating world of Dan Dan Noodles, uncovering the secrets and stories behind this beloved dish. Our story takes us back to the bustling streets of 19th century Sichuan province in China. Picture this, a street hawker, his shoulder pole laden with two baskets. One basket holds a cauldron of steaming noodles, the other a symphony of seasonings. This, my friends, was the original Dan Dan noodle vendor. The name Dan Dan itself refers to the bamboo pole, Dan, used by vendors to carry their mobile kitchens. These resourceful cooks would walk the streets, their calls a siren song to hungry passers-by. A bowl of Dan Dan noodles was a cheap, delicious, and filling meal for working-class folks on the go. Little did they know they were consuming a dish destined for greatness. What makes Dan Dan noodles so special? Is it the tantalizing aroma, the vibrant colors, or the symphony of flavors that dance on your palate? Let's break down the magic ingredient by ingredient and discover what makes this dish a beloved classic. First, we have the noodles themselves. Thick, chewy, and springy, they provide the perfect canvas for the sauce to cling to. These noodles are the foundation, offering a satisfying bite with every mouthful. Next comes the heart and soul of the dish, the sauce. A fiery concoction of chili oil, Sichuan peppercorns, soy sauce, and sesame paste. It's a flavor bomb that explodes in your mouth. This sauce is what gives Dan Dan noodles their signature kick. The Sichuan peppercorns, with their unique, numbing sensation, add an extra layer of complexity. They bring a tingling, almost electric feeling that enhances the overall experience. And let's not forget the toppings. Each one adds its own unique touch. Minced pork, often cooked with preserved vegetables, adds a savory depth. This combination brings a rich umami flavor that complements the spicy sauce. A sprinkle of crunchy peanuts provides a welcome textural contrast. Their nutty flavor and crunchiness balance the softness of the noodles and the richness of the sauce. Finally, a scattering of fresh scallions adds a touch of freshness to cut through the richness. Their sharp green flavor brightens up the dish. Each ingredient plays a crucial role, harmonizing to create a dish that is greater than the sum of its parts. Together, they create a culinary masterpiece that is both comforting and exhilarating. For decades, Dan Dan noodles remained a local delicacy, enjoyed primarily in Sichuan province. But as the world became increasingly interconnected, so too did our palates. The rise of global travel and the growing popularity of Sichuan cuisine introduced Dan Dan noodles to a new audience. Intrepid food bloggers and renowned chefs alike sang the praises of this spicy, savory dish. Soon, Dan Dan noodles began appearing on menus outside of China. From the bustling streets of New York to the trendy cafes of London, the world had fallen head over heels for this Sichuan specialty. The global popularity of Dan Dan noodles is a testament to the power of food to transcend borders and cultures. This humble street food has become an ambassador for Sichuan cuisine, introducing the world to the bold flavors and unique ingredients of this Chinese province. But Dan Dan noodles are more than just a tasty meal. They are a symbol of Sichuan's rich culinary heritage, a testament to the ingenuity and resourcefulness of its people. They represent the perfect marriage of flavor, texture, and aroma, a symphony of sensations that has captivated taste buds around the world. The story of Dan Dan noodles is far from over. This iconic dish, with its rich history and deep cultural roots, continues to captivate food lovers around the globe. As we move forward, this beloved dish continues to evolve, inspiring countless variations and interpretations. From traditional recipes passed down through generations to modern twists that push culinary boundaries, Dan Dan noodles are a canvas for creativity. Chefs around the world are experimenting with new ingredients and techniques, putting their own spin on this classic dish. Some are adding unexpected flavors, while others are perfecting the traditional methods to bring out the best in every bite. But one thing remains constant: the irresistible allure of Dan Dan Noodles. The perfect balance of spicy, savory, and umami flavors keeps people coming back for more. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or a curious newcomer, one bite of this spicy, savory dish is all it takes to understand its enduring appeal. It's a dish that transcends borders and brings joy to anyone who tastes it. So the next time you find yourself craving a culinary adventure, remember the humble Dan Dan Noodle. Its rich flavors and comforting warmth are sure to satisfy. This fiery, flavorful dish is a testament to the power of food to bring people together, one spicy slurp at a time. It's more than just a meal, it's an experience that connects us all.